Chrissy Whispers coming in. Music intro. Chrissy Whispers. What's going on, guys? It's Chrissy Whispers, and tonight I got a video for you guys. We're gonna open up some Lost Origin. So this weekend, I went down to Wildwood, New Jersey with my family. We spent some time in an arcade, and when we went to redeem our tickets, I saw these bad boys, and I knew that we had already spent way too much money on the few amount of tickets that we got, and let's just say $400 worth of tokens later, we got 12 packs. So we're gonna try to make our money back. Probably not. We're gonna try to make our money back opening up these packs. Let's get into it. All right, guys, we got 12 packs. Let's get right into it. All the cameras are recording. We're doing it. Pack number one. It's been a while since I've opened packs. See what I'm talking about? Danny Phantom, first card we see. Code card for you guys. Let's see what we got. Fighting Energy, Dottler, Seadra, Thornton, Phantom, Sudowoodo, Bronzor, Electrike, Ghastly, Mimikyu, and an Aerodactyl V. Nice hit right out of the first pack. Can't complain about that. Pack number one. Let's get right into pack number two. We're looking for that Giratina alternate art. I think everybody knows what we're looking for. That's realistically the only card that we could pull to even attempt to try to make money back on what we spent at that arcade. Water Energy, because we got hosed. Luminion, Mirage Gate, Jinx, Inkay, Squovit, Phalanx, Poliwag, Radiant Steelix, nice. And an Orbeetle in the hollow spot. I said it with the Alakazam, I think the Radiant cards are, hold on, I got a little camera here for you guys, a little light. Ooh. I think the Radiant cards, I mean, look at the pattern on the cards. I think they're very underrated. Let's see pack number three. I forgot I even set that camera up. How you doing? Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's been a while since I've opened packs. Once you get into like buying and selling of packs, you start to realize that opening packs is like a total loss. Shuppet, Wurmple. Do I see something else here? No, just an Asui and Gudra. So I guess once you start really delving into the prices of packs and what you can get them for a TCG player, you kind of stop buying packs, because when I first started, I would just go into, me and my fiance would just go to Target and we would be like, let's see what's on the shelf. And whatever we got, whatever we saw, I would just get, because I didn't know any better. Code card for you. I didn't know any better. And I didn't know. I was just hunting, trying to make money opening packs. Well, you soon realize, like I said before, that it's very difficult and very unlikely, I should say, to actually make money opening packs. And once I came to that conclusion, I kind of got really cheap with opening packs. I kind of refused to open packs, but I figured since we're already down such a big margin, Hisuian Zoroark VMAX. V-Star, rather. Take a look at that. Just pulled that. I'll tell you what, though. We get three hits. Well, I guess two. The reverse, I guess the Radiant. I don't know if people count that as a hit, but I do. So 3 out of 4 packs. Got something, not bad. So yeah, I don't really open packs anymore. That's why I'm like over here fumbling with these things, because I just got cheap. Hopefully tonight, which would be sick if I pulled the Giratina, because the only alt art worth more than $5 that I've ever pulled was the Charizard out of Brilliant Stars. So it would be really cool to pull a sick alt art on camera for the first time, especially this early in the channel, which would be really cool. Shellos, Mindfu, Litleo, Ghastly, Ducklet, Lampent, and a Drapion V. Yo, these packs are kind of hitting. I mean, I know we haven't gotten anything great, but already building quite a little mini collection here. Oh, can't stop now. If you've been following along the channel, we're gonna have to go through those cards, and I'll probably do a little short or something. See if there's any cards that aren't fancy looking that might be worth $1 or $2. Try to tie this into the little bulk that we think, the bulk thing that we, you know, I don't want to say nothing. I saw it before. I don't know if you guys could see that, but most packs have had terrible, I don't know if you could even see that, terrible quality. Like, quality control just sucks. Hirayama, Arc Fun. Yo. Jinx, Makuhita, Bronzor, Phalanx, Poliwag, Chandelure in the reverse spot, Trainer Gallery. That's... Yo, Chandelure's got some pretty cool cards. That's a sweet one. What do we got? And a Dugong. Thanks for nothing, Dugong. Put you to the side. I'm losing my voice. I've never done this before. I got 2 cameras going, so this is a first for me. We'll see how the video turns out. If you're liking it, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Think I suck? That's your problem. Go someplace else. Jesus Christ. I'm like a special type of person here trying to get these packs open. Psychic Energy, Torkoal, Arizu, Relicanth, Paris, Inkay, Hisuian Basculin, Jinx, Makuhita, and Trevenant in the hollow spot. Nothing there. I feel like I don't recall the glue on these packs being so, I really gotta rip these things open. I have no excuse for why I can't open this plastic, but I have a little bit of an excuse for that stuff. Let's see what we got. I would even take the Aerodactyl. I know the Aerodactyl wouldn't make me go positive on the degenerate amount of money that we spent at the arcade. But I would actually be happy. That's a sick card. I don't even care what it's worth. I would just like to have that card. Even the Giratina, obviously, I would like to have because it's worth so much money. But I think as a collector, I would prefer the Aerodactyl over the Giratina. I don't really care for Giratina. I wasn't in Pokemon when Giratina was a thing. I got out very early, got back in very late. So everything in between, I have to like off the bat, and if I don't like it off the bat, I'll probably never really love it. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you the card isn't sick. It's a sick card, but if I had to prefer, I would, in my mind, the Aerodactyl is worth more. Obviously it's not, but what do we got here? Stupid Raichu. This, it feels more like what it was to open packs. I knew we were getting too many hits before. I knew we were getting too many hits. Let's see. I forget. Does the color of the code card even mean anything anymore? I was reading something. Somebody was saying one of the sets recently, you could still weigh. And they said they opened a ton of packs, but, you know, this is a Reddit post I'm talking about. This guy could be full of shit, for lack of better words. What do we got? Buffalant. This smoke work, I know it, I mean, I guess some people probably look at it like that's stupid, but I kind of like that effect. I personally, I think they should have given it maybe a little glitter like they did with the Amazing Rares. I think that would have made it look cool, but I guess that's really just for a matter of competitive play. So I don't actually know what I'm talking about in that regards. I'll go back to shutting my mouth.
Shut up, bitch!
Where are we? Code card for you guys. 2, 3, 4. I hope I've been centering these cards in the video for you guys well enough. Mindfu, Litleo, Ghastly, Ducklet, Electrike, and a Hisu. That's actually, I'm pretty sure this is actually like a $3 card. Which is why you should pay attention to, I'm not going to sleeve it. Which is why you should pay attention to competitive play. Because I believe this is used in the deck that I was just referring to with the smoke on the pictures. I think it's called like the Lost Box or Lost Zone. I don't know. But I believe that is one of the key cards in that deck, which is why it has such a high dollar value to it. Even though it's just a regular hollow rare. The stuff that people don't even want anymore. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's about a little last pack magic for your boy, for the channel, for the first. That's probably in the deck as well. We'll see. We'll look it up. Clefairy, Roselia, Porygon, Inkay, Blipbug. Come on, baby. Let's get excited. For nothing. Just another Orbeetle. Well, now you know. But we did start hot. I mean, our fingers were on fire for a second there. But yeah, what do we get here? We got the Chandelure Trainer, Drapion V, Hisuian, Zoroark V-Star, the Radiant Steelix, and the Aerodactyl. Not bad. 12 packs. What is that? 5 hits. Total regret. But it's for the channel. It's for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment. Which was your favorite card? I guess, you know, a lot to pick from. But let me know the card that you liked the most in the video. See you guys around. Thanks for stopping by. Like the video. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Whatever you guys got to do. See you guys around. Take care.